In this video, I will show you how to dropship with Zendrop. Dropshipping is a way to run an online store without stocking inventory. Instead, you partner with suppliers who handle shipping directly to your customers. It's a low-risk option for starting an online business. Go to Zendrop's website and create an account. This will give you access to their supplier directory. Once you're logged in, check out Zendrop's list of suppliers. Choose the ones that offer products you're interested in selling. After selecting suppliers, it's time to create your online store. Zendrop recommends using Shopify for this. Sign up for a Shopify account, and you will get access to customizable themes, product descriptions, and marketing materials. Once your store is set up, it's time to attract customers. Social media is a powerful tool for promotion. Use Zendrop's tools to manage and track your marketing efforts. Here are some of the tools and features Zendrop offers to help you succeed. Streamline your order fulfillment process with auto fulfillment. Get assistance from Zendrop's support team whenever you need it. Ship products from U.S. warehouses for faster delivery. You can easily monitor your business's performance with easy-to-read dashboards. With Zendrop's tools and support, you can launch and grow your dropshipping business with confidence. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.